Good afternoon, guys. So today's another day. We're back at Calvin's shop. Just took out the tire and then we're putting on the new ones right now. We have, what are these? 215s, I think? 225s? Hankook, what are they called? Ventus V12.
Not a lot of people stretch these tires, but yo.
Fuck it. 225. This is a 225, 40, 18, as you can tell. But it's running a decent amount of stretch, which is pretty cool. I kind of like the stretch on it. Because we were running, I think, 235s. 235s? Or is, what are these?
I think it's 235, 40.
Yeah, so these are 225, so these are a little bit thinner. And then you can see the barrel a little bit better, or the lip. You can see the lip a little better, which is a good stretch. So we're gonna throw these on and then probably get out of Calvin's hands, you know, shouldn't take too long. So we're just gonna take everything off. Should be pretty simple. We don't need to show you how to do this. You know how to take off wheels, put it back on. We got Calvin Subi, always clean. Detailed by Supreme Auto Detailing? Supreme Auto Detailing. Huh? Oh, yeah. Wait here, hit them up. My friend Tommy got it done by them, and his car looks icy as fuck. Frank too. Supreme, I don't know if y'all can see it, but right there. Hit this guy up on Instagram. Does great work. Recommended by Calvin himself. Alright, so yesterday, here's the damage. There's this wire that's just like hanging out right here. Probably because when the tire blew out. Felix said he's rubbing a little bit in the front right here. Right there, that one spot. And then this plastic trim. We're gonna have to remove that and then fix it. It should be fine with running smaller tire, but I'm not entirely sure.
What happened?
Should be fine, I don't know. Running a little smaller.
It might help a little bit, but I think it's hammered in anyway.
Yeah, so we're just gonna try to fix all that. We're gonna electrical tape the wires and then tuck it with zip ties. If you ever need your wheels done, come to Calvin's shop. Oh, yo. NTO ones, dog. Woo! 255, 40, 17. Talk about meat, bruh.
I got 275, 35.
Okay. My bad, dog. Us stance boys, we don't know what tires are, bro. We run rubber bands on this hoe. But yeah, if you guys didn't see, this is what happened when you run a lot of stretch. See the shit? It literally popped off. We're gonna, honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do with his car because he needs the stretch to be able to fit these tires. It's okay, fuck it. Today's a chill day. We're just gonna put on new wheels, or new tires. And then what else? Rear lip. Oh yeah, rear lip. We're doing that today too, I forgot. We're doing rear lip today. For you guys who don't know, these are Oddhans, fake 3-piece wheels, but they're still a good budget wheel. It was around like 800 for a set of these, or 900 with tax. It wasn't too bad. But these came in a while ago. These are back ordered. Watch this technique, guys. And loops that hoe up.
And then you taste it.
you get a little lick. You know what I'm saying?
Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss. Good soup, dog. Oh shit. Where the fuck you going, bitch? Oh, you done? Calvin said I think Felix has to run around 50 psi, right? Around 50? Step on that. Let me know when. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I got scared. Dude. My bad, Calvin. Shit. Hold it. We good?
You're gonna hear two pops.
So right now we have 40 psi. Probably gonna hit maybe 50, 55. 50? There we go, guys.
You get shot in the hood.
Bruh, it's different. So just tuck these wires back in and then, I don't know, there's a tire, put it back in place. Is it me or do you like to smell fresh tires, dude?
I like cock.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know, I like the smell of new tires.
You like fresh tires, but you don't know how to do it right now.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm scared, dude, I'm scared. Yeah, what them fingers do, huh? What them fingers? Show me, daddy. Just kidding. So, bro, where the fuck you at? Just working on your car.
Getting cleaning the wheel, man.
Do it later. Let's do this first.
I have to clean the wheel.
Oh, you're right. Let's just hope that nothing hits, because if it does, no more wheels, dude. Can't drive this car. Yeah, it's only like 70 degrees, but like, we're from SF, so we're used to like 60,
Okay,
50.
70 degrees, but what's the humidity, bro?
I don't know, let's find out. Oh, you see, y'all see this? Want to see your car? Yeah, see my car? Yeah.
Shit gas.
Fuck you, bitch. Fucking 74. Earlier it was like almost 80. So this is how it's looking right now. little less, you know, meat, but it should be fine. All right, so here's the rear lip we got for the RSX, and it looks fucking pretty good. This is how it's gonna look. Has a sick ass rear diffuser. Yeah, so we're gonna have to mold it so there's no gaps. Like we don't want these ugly gaps. See this? We don't want those, right?
That's no good.
No good. But it looks pretty aggressive right now. I like it. So we already pre-drilled holes, so we don't have to worry about adjusting it later. So bolted the two sides in to just hold it for now. Probably put silicone. Yeah. It looks good. What do you like?
I think it looks pretty good. If we
Finally, you're not complaining, right? Fucking, this motherfucker was bitching like, oh, I don't like the rear of my car. I'm like, all right, motherfucker, we got it now.
We got 3 sides. Looks retarded at the back side.
Oh, shoot him, Call of Duty. Oh, Squid Game, bro. Shoot him. Bro, you need to watch that shit, it's hella good. Man, we're gonna silicone this hoe. Good. Wow.
Wow, look at it. The paint color's so different.
Is it? No, it's not.
Dude, look at this shit, it's fucking old. It's nasty.
Alright, you don't gotta fucking roast him.
Far away, close your eyes.
Yeah, like, you squint, so if you just squint like a little bit, it looks like one color.
Honestly, if you don't know, you couldn't tell.
Shouldn't we clean it first? We should have done that after. We should have done that before we put it on.
Alright guys, make sure to always prep before you do, you know, body work and exterior work.
Going fucking wrong. Going wrong. Who needs preparation?
Who needs condoms?
Who took sex ed? I did it.
Exactly, bro.
I was sex ed.
What the fuck? See the shit. Oh yeah, baby, right there. Fill her up. You just hold it.
Just squeeze it. Like, if it comes out, doesn't matter.
You can always peel it.
No, like we'll wipe it off.
Oh, okay. But you can always technically peel it off. No? Oh.
It's super fast urethane, OEM strain, easy caulking. Fast curing.
Alright, we should probably wipe
Gun. Huh? Should I wipe it? Because I know Theo doesn't like that shit. I know, sorry.
No,
Finger?
No, and it's on there.
Oh, RGB. Man, JD was fucked. I don't know, I don't want to fuck it up. Should I just...
It has to be wet.
Wet?
You
Oh.
don't fuck it. Just do it.
Just do it?
do it dry. Just do it dry.
No, I gotta make sure it's good, dude. You sure? Oh, motherfucker. Yeah. Oh, fuck, dude, help me. Calvin.
Just keep wiping it. Yeah, and then you just keep wiping until it's all gone.
Well, that's IRWB right there. That's fucking JDM as fuck, dude. How many videos you watch, dog? Shit.
Yeah,
Oh.
dude, this is fucking brand new.
My bad. Here. Please to get it wet.
You just gotta keep wiping it.
Actually, I don't know what I'm doing.
What?
This guy.
I said I could fix cars. I didn't say I make cars.
Bro. Oh, there.
I'm pretty sure you just grab some alcohol. That should come off.
Alright, hold on. Let me put you guys down. We're gonna fix this mess. Okay, now we fix it. So we did God's work. All right, we made it look better. Right? You're welcome.
I told this one I was doing the work. He's like, dude,
It's my idea.
All right. But yeah,
was it
so,
on camera? Though?
yeah. See, it was my idea. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But so we're just gonna have to do this all around, and then we'll show you the final product. So we're just started on that side. We haven't done this side yet, so there's big gaps showing. But other than that, this is a really simple install. It's only taking 20 minutes max.
You ain't doing it.
Exactly. I'm filming.
Please install the camera.
So we just finished putting on the rear lip, and here's what it looks like right now. This guy. But don't mind the screws right now. We're just
Why even show it, bro? Why even
Yeah,
show
you said you're gonna show the screws, so what's the
Okay.
point? Yeah, we're gonna...
All right, so we also put on the wheels, and he has a little more clearance because a little more stretch. So these are 225s, right?
25, 40.
40, and then for both the front and rears. And he has more clearance, so if he does bottom out, it'll be fine. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.